Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, today we got a good one. It's called Clickfunnels.com, and it's gonna be my review on it. So basically, you can go here, you click start your 14-day free trial, enter your name, email address, create a password, and you'll be logged in to the back office. This is what it looks like. The price is $97 a month. $97 a month. And basically you get a quick walkthrough. So I created a squeeze page, and I could do a split test. And so if we go back, take a look at my funnels that I created. So it's $97 a month. Right now I'm on a trial. You'll watch the webinar. And so this is my funnel page I created. It's giving away an ebook. Looks really professional, like you get your own domain and stuff like that. So yeah, I think ClickFunnels is definitely good. Click backpack. So you get like a whole lot of contacts, and you can see that I just started. ClickFunnels does pay via Stripe, so you have to set up Stripe, and you create your funnel. You collect your leads through your capture page, like the one I created here. Right? So that's all for this one. Thanks for watching. Till next time. See you again, YouTube.